And for information, there's no time difference between Hong Kong and Clark, Philippines. The ground temperature is at 32 degrees Celsius. And we're pleased to announce that we have just landed 10 minutes ahead of our scheduled time of arrival. Kalalapag po lamang natin sa Paliparang Pandaigdig ng Clark, maligayang pagdating sa Pilipinas.
Ladies and gentlemen, we have just landed. For your safety and comfort, please remain seated with your seatbelts fastened until the captain turns off the fasten seatbelt sign. Please check your surroundings to ensure you do not leave your personal belongings behind. Be cautious when opening the overhead bins, as heavy items may have moved during the flight. If you require assistance, please remain in your seat until all other passengers have deplaned. Thank you for flying Cebu Pacific, a member of Value Alliance.
Magyari po lamang na manatiling nakaupo at hintay matanggal ang ilaw sa fasten seatbelt sign bago tumayo para kunin ang inyong mga kagamitan. Nais na naming paalam sa inyo na ang paggamit ng palikuran sa mga sandaling ito ay mahigpit pong ipinagbabawal. And we ask that you keep your area clean and tidy, kindly clear seat pockets of any remaining litter. And please bring this with you as you leave your seats. You may dispose this in a bin near the exit to secure cooperation and ensuring that no litter is left behind the aircraft. Muli po namin pinaalahanan ng lahat ng panauhin na huwag mag-iwan ng mga bagay na nais itapon sa loob ng eroplano. Mangyari po lamang ang dali ng mga ito sa inyong pagbaba. And for guests with infants, the infant's diaper shall be collected after disembarkation. For safety reasons, leave the infant's life vest inside the seat pocket and be reminded that unauthorized removal of life vests from the aircraft is a serious offense. On behalf of your entire Cebu Pacific team, head of our flight deck crew, Captain Pabale and First Officer Alcantara, together with your cabin crew, we thank you for making Cebu Pacific a part of your important moments. It was truly a pleasure having you all on board, and we do hope to fly you to more fun in the future. Once again, thank you everyone for flying Cebu Pacific.
现在已经成功落地，为了确保安全与舒适，请您保持就坐，不要解开安全带。